Welcome to Cashflow Vision. Today we will discuss about net worth. Every company has its own assets like office premises, factory building, machinery, plant and equipment, some investments, etc. Apart from the assets, they even have certain long-term liabilities like loans that need to be repaid in future. The difference between the assets that a company owns and the debt that needs to be repaid is known as net worth of the company. It represents the total value of the company. It helps to make future investment plan and helps to set financial goal for the company, as the management would be aware about the actual value or worth of the company. Net worth gives an indication of the company's financial strength and shows whether the company is in a position to incur big expenses or not. It is the indicator of the company's credit worthiness. Shareholders would calculate the return on net worth to get the idea of the company's worth. Return on net worth indicates the profitability of the company by providing the picture of how much return it earns on its capital. It shows if the company is effective enough to grow year on year for the future growth potential of the company. Higher ratio indicates that the company is utilizing the money of shareholders in an efficient manner. On the other hand, lower ratio indicates the company is not using the money efficiently. It is not investing the cash in good opportunity. So how are we going to calculate return on net worth? There is a simple formula for that. Net income divided by net worth. And for net worth, we have to see shareholders' equity plus reserve funds, preference capital, and less other expenses. I am sure you will find this lecture quite helpful. We'll come with a new topic in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.